Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start now, remove the case and power the iPhone off to prevent accidental taps. Apply low heat with a hairdryer for about 20 to 30 seconds. This softens the adhesive and makes the sticker peelable. Once warmed, find a corner and gently lift with your fingernail or a plastic pick. Do not use metal. As you lift, pull slowly and keep heat applied intermittently. This reduces tearing and leaves less residue. Make sure to work on a flat, clean surface for control. Once an edge is free, thread dental floss or thin fishing line under the sticker and use a gentle sawing motion. This separates adhesive without stretching the sticker. Make sure a plastic card supports the phone surface as you saw, so pressure is distributed and the glass won't flex. If areas remain stuck, dab 70% isopropyl alcohol on a microfiber cloth and blot, not flood, the spot to break down residue. Move slowly and reapply heat if the adhesive resides. To finish, remove remaining residue with 90% or higher isopropyl alcohol on a microfiber cloth. Rub gently until oils lift, then let the area fully air dry before powering the phone back on. Once dry, replace the case or any screen/keyboard cover. If residue stays sticky, repeat the heat and alcohol steps. Alternatively, test a small amount of a dedicated adhesive remover like Goo Gone on an edge, first on an inconspicuous spot. If you see discoloration or moisture under keys, stop and consult a repair pro.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.